Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to transfer Worldcoin to PDAX, the Philippine Digital Asset Exchange. Moving your WLD tokens here allows you to trade or cash out directly in pesos. Let's get started. First, log into your PDAX account. Open the PDAX app or website, sign in, and make sure your account is verified so you can receive deposits. Next, get your PDAX Worldcoin deposit address. Go to Wallets, search for Worldcoin, WLD, and tap Deposit. Copy the wallet address shown. This is where you'll send your tokens. Then, open your World app. Log in and go to your wallet balance where your Worldcoin tokens are stored. After that, select Send. Paste the PDAX deposit address you copied earlier, enter the amount of WLD you want to transfer, and carefully review the details. Next, confirm the transaction. Double-check that the network matches the one supported by PDAX, for example, Ethereum mainnet if required. Approve the transaction and complete any security checks. Finally, wait for confirmation. Blockchain transfers may take a few minutes depending on network traffic. Once processed, your WLD tokens will appear in your PDAX wallet balance. Quick tips. Always copy and paste the address. Never type it manually. Start with a small transfer if it's your first time to avoid mistakes. Keep your transaction ID handy in case you need to contact support. Transferring Worldcoin to PDAX is simple and secure when you follow these steps carefully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.